like a river of blood. I don't know if I will love again. It's just that I don't have love. I can have a good heart. You want me to be like Jesus, but I can't. Know that I will live like you. We are at the time open to the war of love. You know that you don't have any money, but you are still training. Because you were loved, because you were loved. What will you give me when I love you? Good love. It's really painful when I give it to you. Let's be patient.